Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear scholars, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to discuss the second component of history of quality. First portion I discussed earlier. Now, the remaining portion we are going to study. I would like to share a saying of a statesman, that is Norman Augustine. He said, "It costs a lot to produce a bad product. It's food for thought for you. It's up to you to understand and how you conclude something from it according to your understanding and need." Here, Augustine about this cost have given something. You can see it is there. It's not the price of creating a quality product. It's not the cost price of creating a quality product. It is the cost of not creating a quality product. So the difference between these two sentences looks like a huge gap between the understanding of quality measurers and the people working on quality and have understanding about quality. Price of creating a quality product and cost. So cost and price, you mean a group is consumer, but other is producer. So to discuss this cost, there are 5 features. Number 1, prevention the costs, appraisal costs, internal failure, external failure cost, opportunity costs. All these 5 activities have their cost. Let's see in detail these costs. Prevention costs, the cost of all activities specifically designed to prevent poor quality in products or services. So, you know, definitely it matters. Organizations and industries and groups invest amount to avoid the poor quality. Appraisal costs, the costs associated with measuring, evaluating, auditing products or services to assure conformance to quality. So feedback, follow-ups, counseling, all this matters because the different types of appraisal have cost. Why? For what purpose? To assure the quality. Internal failure costs, the costs occurring prior to delivery or shipment of the product or the furnishing of a service to the customer. That is the internal cost. And external failure cost mean the costs occurring after delivery or shipment of the product and during or after furnishing of services to the customer. The internal failure costs mean the during process costs, and external failure costs mean when product is on the market and it have no acceptance or it doesn't meet the need of the consumers. Opportunity costs. It is the cost of a missed opportunity. So, keeping in all five types of costs, we can mend our ways towards quality. The organizations can set their procedures and formats to look after quality. As we are here to discuss the history of quality, in the last lesson, I think so, you have studied the century of quality starting from 1900 to 1999. So the first one phase, that is inspection, it occurs from the craftsman uh, uh, starting, that is 1900 to 1920, because craftsmen were the manufacturers themselves, and uh, they market themselves, and it was too much costly and no inspection and quality taken into consideration. So the first time in 1920, after industrial revolution, mass production, unit verification, defective product, these three things uh, incorporated towards manufacturing. According to Taylor's conception of work, measurement, comparison of verification activities, focus on the quality produced. So doing all this is known as inspection. As you can see that uh, some inspector with a torch in his hand is looking after the things. What he is doing, he is inspecting the products. In the next decade, there came statistical control. It is also known as SQC, statistical quality control. Sampling inspections use a statistical tool. First, concerns regarding prevention, identification of causes for defective products. In bulk, there are products. What inspector do? It identify the defected product. So making its number of defects in this product, that is the statistical quality control. It focus on the finished products. I mean, mm, pleasing an apparent face of that product. Up to what extent that is pleasing, and uh, consumers uh, consumer like it. 7 basic quality tools. This SQC gave birth to the 70 quality tools. On the basis of these basic quality tools, the finishing of the product come into market. Number one, the first tool is flow charts and process maps, checklists, cause effect diagrams, Pareto diagrams, histograms, scatter diagrams, control charts. So this is the objectively inspection. By parts, the things are being inspected and seeing up to what extent they are uh, finished and good enough for acceptance of the market. Then quality warranty. First, quality standards, customer specifications, preventive actions, systems approach started the concern about involving everyone in the organization focus on the manufacturing process, because everybody in organization have a significant role. So meeting the quality standards as per specifications given by the end users, all participants of that organization who are focusing on that production, as a system, they have to start concern about the manufacturing process from top bottom or bottom top in hierarchy. They all are responsible for quality. This is the quality warranty mean quality assurance as especially quality management programs. The next step came into market after quality warranty or quality assurance was quality management. Integration of quality on global management in quality circles became audit and focus on work progress. Audit mean editor have a checklist with him. He take across things if they are not according to the specification and provided formats, provided requirements. If it is okay, then it the quality has managed. Otherwise, they are compromising on quality. Quality management enhanced as total quality management in 1980 because there was two point of view: quality management or management of quality. So both of these philosophies merged and it became the total quality management. So management principles like responsibility, delegation of power, staff autonomy, and satisfaction of needs and expectations, struggle for improvement, adaptation needs, change management, focus on the organizational process. So total quality management, what do is to look after the organizational process at all tiers of management, rather it is the first line management, middle line, or second line management. So all are involved. What quality management system is? It's a set of organizational measures which transmit maximum confidence that a given quality level is being achieved with the adequate resource consumption. So with the adequate resource consumption, all of the efforts are put into practice to manage quality. And any of the organization have to transit maximum confidence towards quality management. This system is known as the quality management system. It comprised of the following characteristics. Number one, external focus at the client. But the system of total quality management demand total focus on the client need. Global approach and as an integral component of the organization strategy. Because the organization have to survive in the globe, so they focus on the global approach. Horizontal vision within the organization from top management to staff. Uh, It's very interesting when I say the horizontal vision. Growth is always vertical, not horizontal, but VN is penetrated and contributed with the peers. So with the same VN, all of the members of any organization put their efforts into practice and achieve the goal. It includes all the concerned parts, continuous learning and adaptation to change as per the need of the client. Continuous change is continuous learning and change is the component of this organization. Such organizations are known as the learning organizations. Tools and methodologies used for total quality management in 1980. Re-engineering, quality function deployment, benchmarking, inquiries, client and staff, brainstorming, balanced scorecard. So all these six tools and methodologies make assure total quality management. Excellence models. Total quality management was the last stage in this series. After that, different models were born. For example, ISO is also a model. So orientation guide, flexible and adapted instrument, self-assessment and continuous improvement models. Support on the pathway to excellence, focus on customer. These are different models. I think so. Not a single model in isolation to be used, but at different times, different mixture of the models. All of the models, some of the models might be used collectively to have excellence in quality. Uh, Honestly speaking, towards the history, how did we get here? How did we reach up to the excellence models of quality that started from Beaming and Duran quality management principles? Taichi Omo applies them in Toyota Motor Corporation. Japan has its National Quality Award 1951. Professor Deming. United States and European firms began to implement quality management programs in 1980s, different of 3 decades. United States establishes the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award in 1987. Reason, they compromised on over quality. They focused on the production because post-war there was uh, a need of products. So they meet the need. They focused on the quantity. Today, quality is an imperative for any business. Let's discuss the different current challenges to the quality to ensure that managers do not lose sight of the basic principles and which quality management and performance excellence are based. Former The Rock's president David Keene's quality is a race without a finish line. So it's infinite race. A key challenge is to allocate the necessary resources to maintain a focus on quality, particularly in times of economic downturn. Increasing awareness of quality will only increase the level of competition in future. So, in futuristic approach, continuous process, continuously looking after quality and performance excellence will support the organizations towards quality management. The future challenges to quality are partnerships, learning systems, adaptability and speed of change, environmental sustainability, globalization, knowledge focus, customization and differentiation, shifting demographies. So, keeping in all these eight features, in future, organizations will nurture and have to win the race because there is competition between organizations across the globe and quality matter and demand and need of client up to his satisfaction is there. So here in this component, the century of quality, we discussed in detail the inspection, starting from inspection, the first phase, uh, control, the second phase, warranty or assurance, the third phase, and quality management fourth phase, then total quality management, and finally excellence models in quality and tools used for all this total quality and excellence models we discussed here. In the last, we were talking. I was talking about challenges, prevailing challenges at present, and future challenges to quality. So that is all about history of quality.